Hi, welcome to my newest listing here in the city of Whittier. My name is Amy McNeill with Onyx Homes, First Team Real Estate. I'm super happy to share with you this great opportunity for any family that needs more space or for that first-time buyer that's looking to make something for themselves. This home has a lot to offer, but one of my favorite features is the vaulted ceilings that kind of create an airy environment with lots of natural light. So why don't we explore and discover how this home could be yours.